How would you like to make serious money off of Midjourney, ChatGPT, and other AI systems? If that sounds really cool to you, and by the way, this doesn't have to do with doing work yourself, it has to do with teaching others to do it. This is really revolutionary. I think you're going to love what I'm going to show you in my review of Prompt Merchant. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, made by Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because my jokes, they're boring. I get it. I tell boring jokes, they're dad jokes. I do them all the time, over and over and over again. You think I'd learn, but no, I keep doing them. Go figure. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things. I review software and products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't have a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, it's been weeks since I saw you. I was sick. I didn't get a chance to record videos. And the first thing you do is go harass me. Get a new line, Bart. Seriously, Bart, not Bart. I was thinking about Google Bart because of my bonus. Bart, seriously, new line. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way these work here, if I like Bart, I will give a tip. My hat's the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here about like mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. See Liz, she is such a sweetheart. I love that lady. Today I happened to be in Costco and I saw they had Junior's cheesecakes. Made me think of New York and Liz Lemon. And you know what? Great lady. Seriously, Liz, thank you very much. Okay, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Prompt Merchant. This is my friend Andrew Darius. So basically what he's doing something like this. He's put together something where you can actually sell prompts for Midjourney, for ChatGPT, and Stable Diffusion, I think it is. Let's check real quick here. Yeah, Midjourney, ChatGPT, and Stable Diffusion. Okay, and the idea is basically that you give examples of what these prompts can do, and then people will pay you to learn what the prompts are. Okay, so it's a really, really cool way of monetizing these things without having to do the work yourself, without having to find a customer wanting to buy something from you. Instead, you're simply saying, hey, I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, of course, you have to have the prompts to actually do that with, which is where I come in. So what I do is I actually put together two different bonuses for this particular product. One of them is just one that I've been working on, wanted to do for a while. I think is super cool. The other one's specific for this product. So the first thing I did was I put together a simple video showing you 3 different ways of actually getting cool prompts for ChatGPT and Midjourney and all that kind of stuff. Okay, one of them you probably would have thought of on your own, but it might be so obvious you might even not realize that you could do that. The other 2, you probably haven't thought of doing, but they're really, really cool ways of actually getting really great ideas for all of these services. And I show you exactly what all 3 of them are in my bonus video. In addition to that, I've been experimenting with Google Bard and trying to see what it can and cannot do. And I found that certain things that it will do that ChatGPT will not do. And I've actually been searching. Nobody seems to put together a video about this yet. Certainly nobody's put together a PLR video about this yet. I put together a video with 5 cool things you can do with Google Bard. And you can actually go ahead and sell this video, give it away, use it as your own bonus. Everything is going to be included for you. Okay. The only thing you can't do, obviously, is sell resale rights, but you can sell it as personal rights. And that's something that I think is going to be very, very valuable to a lot of people, that you're going to have that right to do that. But let's check out this thing real quick. So Prompt Merchant, first of all, you can use PM3 off. It's right at the top here. You see $3 off the $17 front end price tag, so it's only going to be $14 for you. There is also a bundle, which I'll link in my website. You're going to have access to the bundle as well. So if you want to go ahead and purchase that, all right, you have two different options. You have the agency or standard version. Okay, so $17, $27, and you get $3 off. All right. And it's all cloud-based. You don't have to do anything yourself. You don't have to host it at all. Okay. Now, let's check out, first I want to show you. So this is a sample of a prompt merchant store. And you can see here some of the images that were created. And when people click on it, they can actually go ahead and purchase the prompt to create similar images to this. Of course, every time that you run these things from Midjourney or whatever, it is going to be a unique image. And again, you can also do the same thing with ChatGPT and with Stable Diffusion. So you're going to be able to do all of these things, and you can set your own prices for whatever products you want to actually go ahead and sell. And people just see it, say, that looks really cool. I want to be able to generate something like this. How do you do that? And people will pay you money just for learning how to do it, just for learning the prompt that they can punch into these websites. So that's basically the way it works. Here's the members area real quick here. I'm not going to go through everything exactly how to set it up, but you can see here it tracks your orders. You can add whatever products you want. You have an inventory section here. You have products. Okay, you have your customers, your transactions. Everything's going to be done for you here, so that it's basically just plug and play. And of course, with my custom bonus, you don't need to worry about finding prompt, because I'm going to show you how to get thousands upon thousands of cool prompts completely for free. You can turn around and sell, because all these are open source. There's no copyright on them, so you can't violate a copyright by taking these things, because a prompt for ChatGPT doesn't really have a copyright on it. And so you can actually go ahead and do that and sell them. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you demand. This is really, really a cool idea. Which I thought of it, but it's very, very interesting. A very cool idea. And with my custom bonus, I think you're absolutely going to love this. Grab this. You are going to love it.